Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your Moonpay limit so that you can buy or sell larger amounts of cryptos without any interruptions. So first of all, you need to log in into your Moonpay account if you haven't already. Once you are inside your dashboard, you need to simply click on your profile icon here on the top. Then you need to come here in the settings of your Moonpay account. Over here you are going to see a limit tab. So this is where you will see your current daily, weekly or monthly limits. Now in order to increase your limits on Moonpay requires you to complete a higher level of verification. So you can start by making sure that your basic KYC is done, which includes providing your first name, then your date of birth and address. Next, you need to upload a clear government issued ID like a passport, or the driver's license or the national ID, and Moonpay may also ask you to complete your selfie verification to confirm your identity. For even higher limits, Moonpay might request the proof of address such as a recent utility bill or bank statement, and sometimes proof of income for very large transactions. Now after submitting the required documents, Moonpay will going to review them. In some cases, you will get an approval within a few minutes, but in some cases, it can take up to 24 hours if there are many requests available. So once your documents are approved here, your limits will be increased automatically and it will show over here in this section. Now, if you face any kind of problem while increasing your limit, you can also directly contact with the Moonpay customer support team by clicking on this support option here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.